Hello, this is Christy DeArmond from the Reiki Muse, sending you out pure Reiki for the full moon in Capricorn on June 21st. So just relax, breathing in this gift of Reiki flowing to you now. This is the first full moon of summer here in the Northern Hemisphere. And as we transition into summer, take notice of the things that are blossoming and growing in your life. A friendly customer checking out ahead of me at the grocery store recently asked me what my favorite season was. And after quickly going through my love for all of the seasons and remembering what I like best about each one, like the crisp, colorful fall, and that used to be my favorite. And then noticing that I currently really enjoy spring and the fresh blossoms and renewal, and then summer's late twilights, lots of light, and winter's pure white snow and cross-country skiing. I ended up replying that I love them all for their own reasons, and that I really love that the seasons change. So no matter how much we wish summer would last forever, or whatever your favorite season is, nature always keeps cycles moving along. And this is good if you're experiencing your least favorite season too. That means it's not going to last forever. The more challenging times of year will soon make way for the next season. Just like in all the cycles of your life, the nature of life is change. And Reiki can help you stay aligned and in harmony with your own pure self, no matter what is ebbing or flowing in your life. So remember to enjoy what uplifts you most in your current phase. And for the tougher moments, know that this will soon pass. Reiki can help you stay aligned, fully absorbing that pure love during the ups and downs, the expansions and contractions. And with the full moon in Capricorn, you may find your energy boosted for productive efforts in areas of your life that you wish to improve. Let your values guide you on where to focus your attentions now. Capricorn favors taking charge, organizing, tending to practical matters. And Reiki can help you stay heart-centered and in cosmic alignment while being responsible and dealing with changes or emotional issues in your home, family, or life. And like always, Reiki will work for you in a way that serves you best. And with nature in full bloom, take a moment to appreciate what is flowing and abundant in your life. And if you're feeling stuck or blocked anytime, I'm always here with Reiki, in person or distant, and reflexology to help you get aligned with your own light. And remember to subscribe if you want to receive this every month. And thank you, and much love.